Welcome to the future, unfolding right before your eyes. Today, we're diving into the world of Samsung, specifically the much-anticipated Galaxy S24. Packed with state-of-the-art technology, the S24 is a game-changer. Imagine taking your sports tracking to a whole new level, with an ultra-responsive heart rate monitor and advanced GPS for your outdoor adventures. Not enough? How about a camera that's a photographer's dream, capturing every exhilarating moment with crystal clarity? And let's not forget the super-fast charging, keeping you connected no matter how long the game goes into overtime. From its sleek design to its impressive features, the Galaxy S24 is not just a smartphone, it's a revolution. Stay tuned for more exciting insights into the world of technology, because the future waits for no one. The Samsung Galaxy S24, where the future begins.